Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on your Nubia Red Magic 6R. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here, try to find an app called Notify Buddy. Now select it and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app, move to the next step and grant two permissions to the app. First one being a display access. Next is notification permission. So simply allow it, go back. And third, right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable, and I wouldn't do it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now move on to the next step, click on OK, and right here we can start using the app. So first, you can see the user tab. Here you can select any apps to allow for custom LED lamp notifications. In system, you can find all system-bound apps for the same purpose. In active, you can find all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen, or a LED color. Now to actually see the LED lamp, let's click on a test, and here we can find it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.